Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to check Steam game size after installation on your PC. First step is you need to open the Steam application, and on Steam application we go to library and click home. On the home you can choose that game you want to check the installation size. Here I only have one game, Middle Earth Shadow of War, and I want to check this game installation size. So we can go to the setting icon and click on properties. On the property, you can see here is the menu on the left, and you can click on installed file. And you can see here it's the information about the size of installation. So you can also see on the local files, you can click on browse and it will bring you to the local files on your PC. And here you can click here before to back, and this is the game file. You can right click and click on properties, and here you can see the game size.